Okay. Yes. Hello, Mahesh, Ganesh, Subhajit, Raja, Rajat. Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I'm good, Ganesh. How are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good,
Good
sir.
evening, all. So let's start. Okay, Subhajit, you mentioned that you have some doubt in drawings. So will it take long time or it is a
Yes,
small
sir.
doubt? टाइम जाएगा उसमें बहुत
Yes, sir. Small.
स्मॉल
Sir, one major doubt is sir, I facing some few days I facing same issue. The drawing and the 3D, the when I taking the dimension, the 3D when I measure and the 2D drawing are not matching.
the 3D and 2D drawings are not matching.
Match.
So
Yes, sir.
point to be
Sir,
marked
last one.
that will not be shared.
Sir,
Uh,
this issue I faced today.
means
Yeah,
here in drawing it's 1.8 but the thickness is not 1.8. Yes.
yes, 1.6 like
Okay.
when I
Okay.
measures.
Okay. So what is your requirement? Do you want to update this dimension?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Means you want to update this dimension, it should be 1.6. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we call it as a reroute.
Actually, it is in angle. That's why in horizontal or vertical dimension there will be no issue. But in the cutout and everything, I mean, 3-degree angle or 7-degree angle, that surface having issue.
Okay.
Means,
Okay, let's do one thing quickly. Let me close this topic in 5-10 minutes. Okay. We will design one 3D first. I think we don't need any 3D. I can also explain into drawing as well. Let me show you in new part, or let's say Alt B. Let's design one sketch quickly. Okay, means Subhajit, you have one 3D like this, one, two, sorry, let me cancel this one, delete. You have one 3D like this with draft, yes or no? With draft,
yes, sir.
okay, like this. And your top, what is the draft value, shall I keep? 0.5 degree?
Yes, sir. Point 3, point 5, point 7 like.
Zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5. Okay, and what is this thickness on top side? 1.6. Right now in your drawing, it's 1.8, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, uh, shall I apply,
Yes, sir.
shall I apply corners as well? Let's apply corners. Corner on this side, yes. Let's apply corner of 0.5, enter. Corner on this side. Actually, we don't apply corner in sketches, but for now, just for your explanation. Okay, delete this one, constraint.
Sir, I am changing the anchor point also, but
Hmm.
same is fine.
So this is you have 1.81, I think. Okay, exit, pad. Okay, let's go to file, new, drawing, click OK. Let's call the front view or top view. Use landscape, no issue. A0 sheet, ISO. See, we are in drawing. Let's take a view, front view, windows. This one, let's take this as a front view. The view is okay. Yes, click anywhere. View is okay for me. Double click. Done. Hide the access system. Perfect. Let's keep over here. Now, Subhajit, you have this option dimension. Okay,
Yes, sir.
please focus. Dimension, if you select this line and this line, it's showing 1.91. Why? Because can you see the yellow points? Can you see the yellow square on my screen?
Yes, sir. Enter button.
That,
This will I can
yes,
control the lines.
yes. So that both point are in the bottom. So if you want that point on the top, see we have maintained 1.81 on the top or on in the bottom where we have maintained 1.81 on top or
Yes, sir.
on the base where we have maintained the 1.81
On
here or
top,
on top. Yes.
sir, downward.
No, no, no. Tell me where we have maintained our 1.81 here
Yeah, in top.
in top. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here we have maintained
Yes, sir.
1.81, not here. See, we have given draft of zero point 0.5, so naturally the bottom, the base will be here, the base thickness will be more than 1.81. Okay. So on the top
Yes,
side,
sir.
we have maintained 1.81. So how to apply the dimension on the top? Close this one. Dimension, select both line. Okay, like this. Here, luckily, right now you are getting 1.81. Okay, now let me cancel this one. Let me select both line again. Can you see now I'm getting 1.91. So hold the control button, hold the control button. Okay. Keep your point over here. Now here you can see both yellow square. Hold the control button, hold this point and pull this up. I
The
want
voice is breaking, sir.
voice is breaking. Others, please confirm. Voice is breaking quickly.
No,
Yeah,
sir,
in
you're
between.
audible.
So it's fine.
It's okay. Please
Yes,
con.
sir.
Okay. Um, Mahesh, please check the network. Okay. Now see, hold the control button again. Hold this yellow box and pull this upside. Got it? 1.81 now. Okay, Subhajit.
Yes, sir.
So you can hold the control button and you can adjust your pointer. See, we have possibilities. How many points we have in this between this 1.81? We have 4 points. We have point 1 over here, point 2, point 3, and point 4. So you can adjust your anchor from where you want the dimension. How? Again, I can repeat. Now this time what I want 1.91. So take the dimension, select this line and this line. See now it's showing 1.81. But I don't want to measure the upper head thickness. I want to measure the base thickness. So hold the control button, drag this box downside, drag this, okay. Again hold the control button, drag this yellow square box downside. See, now I'm getting the base thickness. Clear? Yes, Subhajit?
Yes, sir.
Now, again one point additionally, this
Yes,
will
sir.
be helpful for you. I think this will, you will need this point. Go to the 3D. Let's change the right click center graph. Let's change the dimension. Now it is 1.81. Let's make it 1 point, or let's make it 2.1, 2.5. Enter. So it is 2.5 now. Exit. Okay. Right click local update. Go to the drawing. See, the drawing is in update mode. Can you see the update mode? So right click and say
Yes, sir.
local. Right click and update selection. See, the dimension is updated automatically. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
in some cases, the dimension will not get updated. Okay, let me show you how. I think I can't do undo now. Just go over here. Okay, or let's do one thing. Okay, see, most of the beginners candidate, what they will do, they don't know how to adjust this box. So वो क्या करते हैं actually, they draw a line like this, one, or let's draw on upside like this, delete. What they will do, they will draw one line like this, one, two, let's draw parallel to this one, two. Okay, and what they will do, instead of this dimension, what they will do, they will apply dimension between these two line. Dimension between these two line. Tell me if you modify the 3D. Now this is the second dimension between these two line. Tell me if you modify the 3D, will this dimension get updated automatically? Is it depend on the 3D right now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, so this dimension will not get updated. Go to the 3D, change the sketch. Now it is 2.5 years. Make it 1.8. Exit, right click, local update. Go to the drawing. See, the view is in update mode now. Right click, update selection. See, this dimension is linked with the 3D, but this dimension are link. This dimension is linked with this two line. But sir, in this case, what should I do now? I want to update this as well. So Subhajit, we have a update dimension button over here. In this dimension, can you see this reroute? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Click on this one. Sometime you will find, once you update the drawing, once you update the 3D, and after that, if you update the drawing, some dimension will be in red color. Okay, it will be in red color.
Yes.
So you will have to click on reroute, select the dimension, then select 1 and 2. See, done. It is reroute. Can you see? Now it is not linked with this two line. You can delete this line. जिनको ड्राइंग नहीं आता है जनरली वो ऐसे करेंगे. Okay. Again, Subhajit,
Okay, sir.
here you can see the dimensions are little bit inclined. But if you want the horizontal dimension, perfect horizontal and vertical, take the dimension, select one line, two line, second line, set your anchor properly. Now the anchor is perfect. Just right click, okay, right click, go to dimension representation and go to the
Yes, sir. Forced
horizontal.
to.
Yes, click on horizontal.
Yes, sir. I am applying this one.
Perfect. So you will get perfect horizontal or vertical dimensions. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you got your solution, Subhajit now? Subhajit, you
Yes,
got
sir.
your solution?
Today
Okay.
maybe I am having one mistake.
Hmm.
So, yes, sir. Sir, today I facing one issue.
Okay.
Maybe I am not updating the drawing or something. My
Hmm.
one drawing will be corrupted. Corrupted. Sir.
Okay, so
Maybe
that's
some.
no,
Uh,
Subhajit, that's why I mentioned in training as well. Okay, you will have to save the 3D and drawing in same folder, and the name for the 3D
yes, sir.
file and the
I
drawing file
same
should be same.
folder.
Okay,
Yes,
please
sir. But
again,
when
please check
I
there should be no
sir
extra
lock
file.
कर दिया ना.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes, sir. सर मैं रीनेम करने से पहले पूरा 3D क्लोज कर दिया था उसके बाद रीनेम किया. ओके सर.
No,
फिर
no.
भी फाइल करप्टेड हो गया.
I think you are doing one mistake. See, we discussed this point. Okay. See, everyone, even though the beginners, if you are working on any drawings, okay, See, if you have one drawing, if you have a part, the name is part A. So the extension will be dot part. Yes, this will be your file extension of 3D file, and this will be
Yes, sir.
your drawing, but the name should be part A. Extension will be drawing. See, both,
Sir, cat part, sir.
sorry, this will be cat part. Yes, Mahesh. Uh, पूरा में गया. No issue. This should be part A, part A dot cat part. Okay, this should be the file name, and this is a drawing. This should be cat drawing. Okay. Uh, File name should be same. Both file, the 3D file and drawing file should be in same folder. Subhajit, see, you have this 3D, you are working on drawing. Okay, Raja, Ganesh for everyone. Okay, Ashok, see, you are working on the 3D, you have completed the 3D, now you are working on the drawing. Okay, you are taking views from part A in this drawing, yes or no? You are taking front view, top view, isometric view, anything. You are taking this view from the part A. So
Yes.
in drawing this one, in this file, in background, or let's say in coding, this file have some information. What information? From which file? Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Hello,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, I think there is some network issue.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
You
in,
can hear you.
yes, so in this file, drawing file, this drawing file, this drawing file will have some information regarding this file. So what type of information? The file name. So in this file data, you already have the file name from where you are taking the views. Part A dot cat part. Clear, Subhajit? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once you have started the drawing, you can't change the name. Okay, don't change the name of this file. If you change the name of this file, this views will not get updated. There will be the broken link between these two, the part and the drawing. Clear?
So after closing the file, it will same happening.
Your voice is breaking, Subhajit. There is some network issue on your side.
Hello,
Yes?
hello, sir. Am I audible?
Ha, yes?
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, after closing the part from CATIA, same will be happening.
Yes, yes. So don't change the file name. Don't change the file name. Keep as it is.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
That's why.
That's why
Okay, okay, sir.
that drawing is showing the broken link. Means even though it will show the corrupted file. Why? Because even though if I rename this file as, let's say today's date is 29/12, so I can today suppose I have work on this file on 3D part A underscore today's date is 29/12. So even though if I rename this part like this, so extension will be like this, cat part. Okay, there will be no link between this file and this drawing. Okay, now the link is broken now. Okay, why? Because in this drawing you have taken the views from this file. Got it? Not from this one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, good. Okay, Shall I close this file?
Yes,
Subhajit?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
File. Uh,
Sir,
projects. Yes. Hello.
sir, sir, I have a doubt in part design.
In part design, Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
what is your doubt?
So when we are creating a 3D, we will first make the positive elements, then the negative ones separate.
Hmm.
Then is it possible to sketch on the existing face of the 3D?
No, no, no. It is a bad practice. Okay. Never draw any sketch on any face or any plane. Okay, Abhishek? Never. We will use
Okay, we
we will
only need
use
to
only axis system.
our axis system.
Yes. This is our master rule.
Okay.
Okay. Never use any plane or
Previously, I was
face.
using like that.
No, no,
Then
no.
okay, now
It is wrong practice. Okay. Don't follow that one. Okay. So yes, for beginners,
yes, sir.
let me mention this point. See, nine after nine onward, this will be a project sessions. Okay. So if you have any doubts related to the beginners, we will cover it only in beginners sessions. Okay, between 8 to 9 p.m. And this is the project related or the candidates who are already placed in another company, okay, who are working in design now, like Subhajit. See, Subhajit is already working in Chennai now. He's already placed in one design company, okay. So he is facing some doubts in his project. So that doubts and the project related work will be covered after 9 p.m. Okay. So clear, beginners candidate, is it clear? We will not discuss advanced candidate topic in
Yes,
beginners
sir.
session and beginners session topics in advance. Okay. Huh. If you are having any doubt related to project, you can ask. Okay. Anyhow, after 3 months, you are going to work on the same project like this. Don't worry. Okay. How many of you has completed the close volume quickly? Only Raja. Others? Ashok. What is your status? Ganesh. Here I can see the only
I
one.
completed the insert.
Which one? Insert.
Insert, yeah.
Insert and the side booster.
No, sir, working on booster.
Please finish quickly. Saturday Sunday session भी नहीं था अपने. See, Raja has completed perfectly. Good. Ashok. Others. अशोक नहीं है क्या? चिन्मय, what is your status? चिन्मय बहुत दिन बाद. राहुल.
Yes, sir.
चिन्मय कहाँ गए थे आप? बहुत दिन बाद ज्वाइन किया आपने.
सर थोड़ा हॉस्पिटल में इमरजेंसी था इसलिए.
Okay. 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 So shall we proceed with the B side? Yes or no? Shall I proceed with the B side quickly? Put it in design mode.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, the beginners candidate. Remember, I mentioned over here in this screenshot. What is this screenshot? Where is our? Yeah, this one. Do you remember this topic? Setting close volume of style forms plus B tool. This is the topic. Okay. This is the topic. Okay. So after 3 months, you will have to work on the same projects like this. Okay. Remember how we have defined this surface? Yes or no? Quickly. Raja, Ganesh, others, Subhajit, Sachin, how we define this surface? Remember, do you remember this one? I think we have copy pasted the structure surface. If we check with the style, input style, we have considered this as a boundary. Let me put this style
Yes, sir.
in no transparent, right click, graphics. What happened? Graphics property. See, right now I have opened the complete 3D and last session में sketch में hang हो रहा था. Don't know what is the issue. Let me put this in no transparent. Select the surface, change the color, make it dark green. Okay, so I have extracted the surface inside. Perfect. I think we also taken the offset. I remember. Yes, 7.6 mm offset inside, considering the thickness of back panel and some fixations. Okay. Now we have this surface. Okay. Now what is our job? Our job to add some extra material before removing the B-side tool. Okay. Before removing the B-side tool, what we will do, we will add some extra material. Let me check with the style. Here you can see the style. Okay. From top side, we have kept some clearance. Can you see over here? We have kept 7.6 mm clearance, but on this side, do we have the clearance? Let me check. See, do we have the clearance? Where is the measuring tool? This. Cancel. The picking point, the surface only, and the picking point. This surface with picking point. 7.8. Okay. But after 7.8, if I had the style, right click center graph, if I had the style, let's keep this style over here, right click and let's keep this style over here. After 7 point some offset, 7.8 mm, our surface is on the corner of this foam. Yes. So again, safe side, we will try to keep some extra material over here because we can't design our B tool like this on the boundary. So why? I will explain, because of parting line. Okay. I will take the offset, control 2, go to GSD. See, we are in GSD now. Set structure B tool. Let's define the B tool. We are in surfacing now. Take the offset at least of 5 mm inside. 5 mm, reverse. Okay. Hide this one. See. Now we have the sharp edge over here. From upper side, I think we don't have any issue. Let me check with the structure. Okay. We have small clash with the structure. No issue. No issue. Okay. Now, before removing, Raja, did you start the B tool?
No, sir.
Okay. So even though if you don't know how to add or how to remove the material, you can start your B tool. Why? Because you already have the structure. Yes, Ganesh, Subhajit, Sachin. Said, are you
Yes,
working
sir.
on this project? Said, are you working on the setting project? Said,
Yes, sir.
स्टार्ट किया आपने प्रोजेक्ट?
नहीं स्टार्ट किया था सर, पर बीच में थोड़ा सा अभी थोड़ा बिजी शेड्यूल था, 3-4 दिन बाहर भी था मैं,
ओके
फेस्टिवल था, थोड़ा प्रोग्राम था ना, फैमिली फंक्शन,
ओके ओके ओके
तो नहीं हो पाया। करूंगा मैं।
ओके, नो इशू। ओके, so for now we have the close volume over here, we have the structure. Okay, we have this limiting surface. Okay, can I do one thing? See, anyhow we are going to remove the B tool from the back side. So what is this B tool? The candidates who are working on the project first time, okay, means let's say from G23 25.3. Okay, see, we are done with the close volume. Now we will start our B tool. Okay, let's do one thing. I will explain this topic once we finish our B tool. Let's hide this one. Let me rename this surface. Right click center graph. Uh, B tool limiting. Let's rename this surface. Right click O. Feature properties. Offset. B tool limiting surface or extra material addition. Sorry, क्या है? We will discuss this later. Okay, I will explain this. I will use this surface. Okay, just I will rename so that I can find this surface easily. Rename this surface B tool extra material adding. Okay, let's change the color, make it pink, hide it. Okay, and let's hide the close volume as well. Let's start the B tool. Alt I B, take a new body. Let's start adding. See, even though the beginners who have completed the Boolean operation, remember P1, P2, P3, everyone, yes or no? The beginners, new
So yes,
batch.
yes.
Okay, now you will see what is this P1, P2, P3. Okay, now this will be the final B tool. Okay, then alt I B, rename this as positive underscore main. Okay, negative we will add later. Okay, let's define this P1 positive. Okay, let's hide this for now. You have the access system control S. Save the file. You have the structure, you have the access system, you have the elements, what we have extracted from this structure. I think who is the new candidate? Parmeshwar, I think you have this idea, yes? You already have this idea what is backrest question. You are from sitting background.
Yes, yes,
Yes? So do you
yes.
know how to work on the close volume, how to design the B tool?
Yes.
Do you have the means do you know the standard method, the guidelines how to design the close volume of B tool considering the offsets and all? Parmeshwar?
Sir, no, no, sir, no too much knowledge.
Okay, no issue. You are from complete set, yes, as you mentioned.
Yes, complete.
Okay, okay. So from this structure, we have extracted this surface. Okay, now we have the same surfaces in our working file. This is my working file. Okay, now let's design the B tool. We have the final B tool over here, positive main. Let's start from P1. Okay, Ganesh, Raja, others, Ashok, Sachin. How can we start the B tool quickly? From which body? Which is the simple one? Start from the simple one.
So side is
Sorry, anyone quickly?
the side part.
Yes, Abhishek is saying side, this side members. Tell me, this board is
Yes, sir.
simple. This board is simple for me. Okay. See, this is the backrest. From this side, we have the style. So where is the style? This is my style. What we have received from the OMs. Okay. So let's hide the style. Here you can see the style we had done with the close volume. We had done this one. So how you have completed? If you open this one, insert, OB bolster, upper shoulder close volume, then we have used mirror command. Okay. Now, so what is B side or B tool or B cutter? We call, someone will call it as B tool or B cutter. Okay. So let's start the design of B tool. So what is the B tool and which faces should we cover in B tool? The faces on which your foam will rest. Here you can see the backrest foam. Can you tell me on which faces? Let me check in product and tell me. See, this is a product. Tell me on which face the foam will rest on the structure. On which faces? See, we are in DMU space analysis. Beginners, remember? So what is this DMU space analysis? Can you see the workbench? DMU space analysis. We are in DMU space analysis. See, digital mockup space analysis workbench. Okay. We will learn this all workbench. Okay. We have not covered it for beginners. Okay. Take a section. Take a section in Z. So where is the section in Z? You will get one window over here. Position Z. Cut section. Cut. Tell me on which face the foam will rest on the structure quickly.
So on the two tubes, tubular section,
Others, Ganesh, Raja,
the center panel section.
perfect. See, uh, the foam will rest on this side members like this. Yes, even though it will rest on the center resting area, the suspension on again on the side member, yes or no, like this. Yes or no, Said, others, Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will cover in B tool, we will cover only front portion of the structure. That's it. We don't have to, means we will not check for the rear parts. We will just check those parts which will be in contact with the foam style or the close volume of foam. That's it. So this tool, this bodies, we will call it as B tool. This will be our B tool. Sir, we will design only single body? No. We will have to design so many bodies. See. Okay. Now, sir, how? Okay, beginners, maybe you don't know how to extract the surfaces in another file. Okay, just see what we are doing. Okay, within 3 months, you will be working like this only. Okay, just once you finish your training, of 3 months, we will start the projects. No issue. Now P1. Okay, let's focus on the center portion. Or okay, let's focus on this tube. Tell me, the foam will rest on this side, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So just
Yes.
focus on one single body. So tell me, to cover this portion, on which view, on which plane should I draw the first sketch? Quickly. On
So
which?
on the explain.
Why?
On the X plane like this. On the Y plane, Rajesh Singh, Y. Ganesh. Others, Sachin.
XZ.
Rajat, are you there? Rajat, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ, नेटवर्क इशू, वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा आपका. Which plane, Ganesh?
XZ.
Said, what do you think? On which plane should we draw the sketch? I want to cover
Sir,
this tube.
exit.
XZ. XZ. XZ means this Y plane. Okay, let's draw in Y plane.
Yes, sir.
Position sketch on Y plane. Keep like this. Now tell me, where should be a VNH? Beginners? I want to draw a sketch in this view. We should be reverse and swap, yes or no? We have learned this in 7 days of CAD-VERCITY. Abhishek, others, Prafulla,
Yes, sir.
click OK.
Yes.
Okay, now I am in this plane. Let's project the extreme outer edges. Normal view. This is the extreme outer edge on which my foam is going to rest. Do we have this? No. Okay, sir, I don't have any, what we can say, any edge to project. So here you can see this is a curve surface. To project the curve extreme surface, we have one project command. In project, you will find last option, fill out edges. Select the surface and click on this one. Click OK. Activate the, where is the datum? Yeah, activate this create datum. Select this and project this surface. Okay, it is not working, no issue. But you can project the circular turning edges, extreme edges with help of this one. If it is not working, no issue. Select this edge, project, simple project. Done. So for this one, shall I project in same body or shall I take a new one? I will take a new one. Let me check in structure. Do we have something extra in this side? Okay, we don't have. We will remove this one locally, no issue. On this side, see, you will have to check on left side as well as right side, means outboard as well as inboard. Okay, no issue. No issue. So I will design a separate body for this one, okay? So I will project only this one, normal view. Okay. So for this one, I will just draw a spline. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Exit. Once you project the line, fix it. You can extend this, no issue. Okay, instead of extend, can I do one thing? Double click on this line. Let's add some more points. This is my last point. This is my first point. I want to add one point before first point. So I will click on add point before. Click on this. Click here. I got one extra point. Click OK. Adjust the spline like this. Perfect. Done. Trim. Extend this line downside. Exit. Which command should I use quickly? Which command?
Extrude.
Extrude with? Extrude or pad?
Pad.
Pad with thickness. Pad with thickness. On left side. Sorry, reverse. Hold it and drag it. Click OK. Okay, no. What should be the thickness? Thickness of this one? I can do one thing, just a minute. I can do one thing. Uh, Instead of, okay, let's do one thing. Instead of doing like this, I can do one thing. Double click. What I will do, instead of drawing like this, what I will do, I will define the center of, let's keep this sketch as it is. Let me check. This is done. Let me check the second one like this. Let's draw a second sketch on this plane. See what I'm trying? I'm just trying to use the combine curve. I'm just checking, can we use the combine curve? In this view, project this one and the mid of this one. Where is the middle point? Project this one first. Done. Where is the middle point? Select this one. Project, or sorry. Yeah, I can consider this as a midpoint, okay? Select this edge. Put it in low light. Select this one and this one, make it isolate. Fix it. Put this in construction. Where is construction? Here. Okay, turn off the construction. Let's draw a horizontal line like this. This line should be horizontal. Trim. Extend this. Extend this. Let's apply a round. Right click, fix it. And this round will be of 10 to 55. Let me check. I think 55 shall I increase, make it normal view. Can I increase? 58 is okay, I think. Try and error. Done. Let's pull this sketch downside. Trim, downside. Done, exit. See, can I do one thing? Can I pad this? Can I pad? Oh, I was supposed to use combine curve. Define the geometrical set. Go to GSD. Here you will find combine curve. Can you see this combine curve? Combine curve. I want combination of this sketch and this sketch. Sketch 12 and sketch 11. Click OK. See? No, this is not going to work because यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे ये अपना 3D गया है पीछे और sketch आ गया ऊपर. So combine curve is not going to work. It will work, but not with this sketch. Any idea? Raja, Ganesh, others? Any idea how combine curve will work? Quickly. Others? See what I want. I want a curve which is going through this profile. Quickly. This sketch is not going to work. Quickly. Raja, others, Sachin, Rahul, Ganesh. हेलो, आवाज आ रहा है? हेलो.
शेल आउट इमेजेस किया था।
सर स्केच को टॉप में बनाएंगे.
Perfect.
Means जेड प्लेन.
Perfect. The second sketch should be in top. Why? Why, Raja?
Sir, we can adjust means the bending length.
Yes.
Bending and there.
Because this bending is visible only in this view. It is not, we can't judge the bending in this view, side view. So we should draw a sketch in this view. But for that, I think we will have to put one axis system which should be parallel to this line. Yes or no? Yes. We will have to put one axis system. So where, let's take a center. Where is the center? This tube center, upper tube. Let's take a center of this one. Point. Type will be arc, sphere, circle, sphere. This one, I got the center. Click OK. I can extract this line. Extract without any propagation. Click OK. Hide the structure. Why some surfaces are not in backrest structure, set structure? What is this? Let's put all this thing in set structure. Right click, change geometry, set structure. Okay, but I want that point. So I will just right click on the point, change geometrical set. Let's put it in, yes, B tool. Click OK. Now hide the set structure. Where is my extract? Show the set structure. This is my extract. It should be inside new geometrical set. This one, tool, B tool. Hide the structure. Okay, I have the line, I have the point. Tell me which axis, if I'm inserting a new axis system, which axis should be parallel to that line and which direction we will use to log the second direction of axis system. Quickly. Quickly. How should be the orientation of axis system?
Z parallel.
Sorry?
So Z will be parallel, no? Means how?
Z will be parallel to which one?
That extract line.
Extract line. And then again we will need one direction.
Then sir, X, which is our MTD.
X instead, tell me, okay. Tell me in which plane your axis system is going to rotate. If you are using this line, in which plane your axis system is going to rotate? This one, or this one? Which one? Okay. Tell me this line, we have extracted one line. Tell me to which plane this line is parallel. Nearly parallel.
ZX. ZX.
ZX, perfect Ganesh. Okay, ZX means if you want, okay Ganesh, now tell me the second answer. If you want to measure the angle between this line and the axis system, with which axis you will measure the angle? Between which axis and the line, this is a line, and which axis system you will measure the angle? If you want to measure the angle.
X.
X. The line is close to which axis?
Z axis, no sir?
Z axis, yes, simple.
ZXs.
So आप बताइए everyone, okay, as you mentioned sir, we will use as Raja mentioned sir, we will maintain our Z with respect to this line. So tell me your Z is something like this, okay. Now your Z is going to move like this little bit, yes or no? Yes.
Yes sir.
Means your X is going to move down little bit by same angle,
Yes sir.
but your Y will remain as it is, yes or no?
Yes.
So in which plane your axis will rotate? It will rotate about Y.
Y.
Clear, yes or no, everyone? Okay, very simple. See, let's check. Where is measuring tool? इधर का. Okay. See, let's measure. Any geometry, any geometry. This line with this plane. What is the angle? Quickly, Ganesh. 0.
0.
That means this line is perfectly parallel to this plane, as we discussed.
Yes sir.
मैंने तो एंगल मेजर भी नहीं किया था, लेकिन just tentatively my judgment was this line will be parallel to this one. Okay. Now I want to measure the angle. Measurement again, any geometry this line, any geometry this axis. What is the angle? 3.5 something, 3.529. That means if I take one axis system on this point, my z will be parallel to this line, and my y-axis will remain as it is. Yes or no? Yes or no? Automatically my x will adjust with respect to my z. Yes or no? 90-degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others clear or not? Rahul, Rajat clear? Sachin, Subhajit, Chinmay.
Yes, sir.
Chinmay. Okay, done. Now let's show the structure. Where is our structure? Now you can draw. Now you can draw one sketch. Okay, बहुत लेट हो गया आज. Sorry. Swap. Okay. Now I can draw one sketch. I can project this circle. Where is the circle project? This one project, put it in low light. Okay, make it isolate. Hold it, fix it, put it in construction. Where is construction? I have not arranged my tool. Okay, right click, fix it. Okay, again I will need a second. Normal, low light, line, right click. Oh, concentricity, yes. Let's keep like this. Remove the construction. Draw a second line passing through the center like this. It should be horizontal. Trim 1, 2. Let's extend this one. So what is the angle? Let's keep tentative, no issue. और let's try, हम सिलआउट एज से प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं क्या? This one, सिलआउट एज, again same issue. Let's keep like this. Exit, or instead of this, double click. Let's apply a corner, left side, and lock the angle tentatively. Okay, we don't know the angle, just lock the angle. Let's make it 74. Let's make it 75. Perfect. Fillet also. Let's, instead of, what is the value? 100, 102, make it 100. For now, we will check later. Let's check the combine curve. Now we had this line, we had this line. Let's use a combine curve. Combine curve. This one, whatever. Right click, define. Oh, what is the issue? Curve this one and this one. Click OK. Tell me, is it okay now? See, this is a combine curve. Is it okay now? Let me change the property. See, can we use this curve for sweep? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, I can use rip command. So how will you use rip command? Simple. Define my body P1, define this one. I will draw one sketch on this plane. Where is my MTD? Okay, my axis system is along MTD, no issue. So I will draw on this plane. In this view, we should be reverse. Okay, I will project this point. I will project this point. Where is project command? Here, project. So why this line is not coincide with this one? Because our first sketch, in our first sketch, we have not taken any reference of this center. That's why I will make correction, no issue. Put this point in construction. Okay, click anywhere, remove the construction, draw one elongated like this, 1, 2, 3, and what is the diameter? 14 or 13, 13, enter. Yes, I think it is 13 or 14, 13.5. 13, enter. Just skip 13. Let me check first, is it working or not. Now what I will do, control 1, I have rip command. This will be my profile. Center will be this one. Keep angle, pulling direction. I will use pulling direction. My MTD is which one? Which is my MTD? Quickly. Which is my MTD? Quickly.
X.
X. Okay. Now preview. Done. See. So why it is not following this step and all? No issue. See, maximum portion we have covered. Why it is not following? Because there is some difference between our center line and the surfaces. Okay, so let's keep this as it is, control S. Let's keep this body as it is. We will make some correction in our next session. Okay, see, for the first sketch means this one we have not followed the center, exact center of this tube. That's why here you can see we have followed, but in this portion we have not followed this exact center line of the tube. That's why there is some deviation. I think it is a minor deviation. No, we will have to make correction. See, we have some deviation. If we take the section, where is the section? Section normal to this one. See, we have deviation. So we will have to make correction. See. So on your side, please start the B side tool. Okay. Let's save the file and we will continue in next session. Okay. Now it's 10:25. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay
Yes,
then.
sir.
So beginners, please join on time. Okay. Because if you're joining 10 minutes late, we will have to finish our session at 9 p.m. Okay. So it will be good if you join before 8 p.m. at least 2-3 minutes before 8 p.m. Okay. So that we will start exact at 8 p.m. and we will finish at 9. Okay. Everyone. Thank you all. See you in next session. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Good
you
night,
all.
sir.
Bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.